dry out here. What's up, guys? Welcome to, you know what? Hold that thought. Last time I sat down here and talked to you guys like this, my leg went so numb, I couldn't walk. I can't I can't do it at all. That is so much better. My rocking chair, much more comfortable than the deck. Got my matcha green tea this time. I still can't believe that I found this stuff at Walmart. Oh, camera lady just told me that the matcha green tea is not at Walmart. What is the regular green tea and the jasmine, huh? The jasmine green tea is my favorite, but the matcha is Brittany's favorite. We had to order this. This is probably her tea, actually, and I probably stole it because I drank all my jasmine. Anyways, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode. This video is going to be all about a giveaway, so it's not going to have anything else in it. But if you watched my last video, I did... Oh, and I've got some questions for you. If you watched my last video, I did a huge complete guide to moment filters. And in that video, I said, reach into my table, that I wanted to do a giveaway for this. This is the Moment 62 millimeter variable ND filter, and it is the 6 to 9 stop, so it's very dark, which is great for places like New Mexico, where we have 330 days of sunshine and it's hot as crap. Anyways, I have a bunch of stuff that I want to give away, and I have a bunch more giveaways coming up. So if you like giveaways and you like photography and you like free gear, you should definitely stick around the channel, and there'll be more of that coming. So on that note, I am still going to give this filter away, but I had an idea. We're coming up on 50,000 subscribers here, so that's pretty cool, and my birthday is this month. It's at the end of this month, and that is kind of when we're anticipated to hit around 50,000, so that would be a really cool birthday present for me from you guys. And I want to do just a whole bunch of giveaways. So I love giving back to the community, and I still want to give this away, but the idea that I had is that I also have an extra one of these that Moment sent me, and this is the 18 millimeter wide angle, and it is by far my most used Moment lens when I do mobile stuff. So that's this guy right here. It is absolutely beautiful, and it is very versatile. And I think what I wanted to do is that I wanted to kind of give a more all-inclusive package for, you know, a filmmaker starter kit or something like that for mobile. And I think this would be a good way to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double the giveaway. I'm going to give away this and this. That's not really triple because this doesn't cost that much. So this is the adapter that you need for this lens. And let me just show you what everything is going to look like. I did this in another video, but it's cool. This video is all about the giveaway, so if you're here, you probably either really want something free or you don't mind me talking too much. And if you're new here, I do tend to talk a little bit, but I think my videos are pretty good. So the only thing that you will need is you'll either need a Moment case like mine. This is my S20 Ultra, and they don't make cases for all phones, but you can go to their website and see which cases they do make, or you will need the adapter that I don't have on me, of course. I mentioned it in the other video. You want to check out the other video for the adapter, but you can find it. It's just their lens adapter, and that will allow you to mount universally anything So if you don't have the case for whatever phone you have that Moment makes, see, that's the nicest thing about that case, is it's really easy. So this wide angle lens, this adapter slides onto there, 62 millimeter, and this variable ND filter, and there it is. So you have a really great little mobile setup that's going to allow you to get more cinematic footage if you're doing video with that 180-degree shutter rule. It's going to allow you to do long exposure photography, stuff like this that I've gotten from my phones with filters. And it's just hopefully going to open up your creativity a lot and help push you forward. So this is the setup here. That's what it looks like. That's the filter. The other great thing about this filter is if you want to branch out and you have a DSLR or a mirrorless, this is actually a 62 millimeter thread size, which is a pretty standard size for a bunch of lenses, and this will work for both. So if you have a bigger camera with a 62 millimeter lens, then you'll have the best of both worlds. So the tricky part is that I had to figure out, because I thought of this just after I did the first giveaway, is how I wanted people to enter. So since I already said I was giving this away in the other video, we're gonna go ahead and continue that, and I'm doing the giveaway over on Instagram. So what I'm gonna have you do, so that it's still fair for everybody who already entered for this, and if you're watching this video and you already entered for this, then you don't have to do anything else. So go over to Instagram, to my Instagram, @LightbendersVisuals, and find this image and comment on it. Tag somebody, tag a friend if you want, if you know somebody else who wants to, who enjoys Moment lenses and gears and all that stuff. And that's it. You'll be entered there, and I will pick a winner through the Instagram comments, and I will DM you on Instagram, and I will get you your new lens and filter and adapter. This guy right here. All right, so that's it for the giveaway part. I hope that that will help one of y'all out, and I like to give back as much as possible. And like I said before, I have quite a few other things that I want to be giving away, and not all of them are, I know I've been doing a lot of phone stuff lately, not all of them are for mobile creators. I do have some other stuff coming that will be for all my DSLR mirrorless people out there. I got you all covered too, so stick around for that. So next thing, birthday month, I told you it's my birthday month. So another thing I wanted to do is to celebrate. I have my preset pack and my Sky library on sale for this entire month. So you have the whole month to check those out if you guys like editing and you like preset stuff in Lightroom or Photoshop. Then I have some presets that I have for that, and I really like them. I use them a lot. And then I have my Sky library. So I haven't officially completely announced the Sky library, but basically I did make a video about, I made this video here you could go check out about, what was it, Brittany? The Sky, three ways to fix a bad sky. And it actually has some in-camera tips, but it also has a tip on how I use, how I do sky replacements and how I use software to help with that. And anyways, if you're interested in that kind of stuff, check out that video. It will show you my Sky library and all of that and how I use it and stuff like that. So that stuff is for sale. And uh-oh, hey, timer. Hey, that's dinner, Brittany. All right, we're gonna have to pause this because that's my pork loin in the oven. Okay, has a few more minutes. Filming videos and cooking dinner at the same time. Good stuff. So what was I saying? Sky library, preset packs, all on sale. Links are down below for that stuff. If you're interested, check them out. If you have any questions, hit me up down in the comments. You know, I'll answer them. If you're still with me after all of that talking, that means you are probably either really bored or highly invested in my channel. And if that's the case, I sincerely appreciate it, which is one of the reasons I'm doing a giveaway. So if you guys have any questions about anything that I went over concerning the giveaway, the sales stuff, the merch, that really helps me out, helps my family out, so I appreciate that. The workshops, any of that, leave those in the comments below, and you know I'll answer them. I have more giveaways coming up, like I said. So if you haven't already, definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you're new here and you've been around this whole video, I am seriously impressed with you, and I thank you from here, somewhere in this region. I thank you. I appreciate that. I will be getting back to some regular photography videos. I mean, this is the only video that I've done in a while. It hasn't been a straight up photography video. Gear reviews, vlogs, all that good stuff coming up soon. The lucky thing about me is I live in New Mexico, and it is absolutely beautiful, and my backyard is 3 million acres of happiness, and I want y'all to come explore with me. So I've got some cool stuff coming up for that as well. Hikes, photography, lots of good stuff. So I will see you in the next episode after I go check on my pork again. All right, broken tripod.